Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing an install video on this Red-Headed Rebel tonneau cover for a 2001 through 2006 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. This is everything it comes with. I've already got everything kind of counted out, making sure I have all my hardware. It does come included. So you're going to be using these mounting holes. There's 4 in the bed. As you can see, I've got these mounted. They are facing upside down. I'm using this Milwaukee ratchet 3/8, and it's a 10mm head on that bolt. So this is what it's going to look like once you get the bracket installed. You get the brackets and the side rails. On the Sport Trac, you do have to push it all the way to the end. I have to put on the seals, but I'm just trying to get it lined up. So your next step, once you get your rails aligned and your rear seals put in, is going to be to put your tensioners. They are indicated with a right and a left, so just make sure you put them on the right side. Come with your hardware. It's a 1/2 inch head on this bolt. Alright guys, so I've got these bolts in. Don't forget your washers. I forgot mine on that side. They're both in there. They're going to line up right inside of this hole, and the other side is going to go underneath. Then you just tighten it down, and that's where it's going to pull the tension from. Alright, this is what it looks like mounted. This is your tensioner. It looks like they did not send me the seal that goes back under here. It goes under this flap, so I'm going to leave that flap out. It's supposed to go in. I'll just have to get a seal at Home Depot or something. So that should be pretty much it. Locks on pretty good. Just have to close that up. That's it. Looks pretty good. The other side's not hooked yet. So far it looks pretty stout. I think I'm going to make a couple adjustments to it. Nothing too crazy. It looks a little off that direction there. And right in here, as you guys can see, there's a little gap there. I'm probably going to make some sort of bracket for that third mounting location that I guess doesn't come with the kit. Just might have to make a bracket there. But besides that, feels pretty good. Might have to tighten it up. Alright everyone, so here it is, finished, nice and taut. Feels good. I think it's gonna work for what I need. I think I need to just adjust the frame just a little bit more. This side seems to be a little high here, but besides that, it looks good. The material it's made of feels good. I think it's gonna last. Alright guys, it's actually the next day in this video. It actually rained a couple inches here overnight after the top was installed. We got no water seepage. It's actually pretty good. If it held up during that storm last night, it'll hold up pretty well. You guys can see I got some tools and oil and stuff in here, no water. If you guys want to see anything else in the videos, future stuff on the Sport Trac, I will be uploading some more stuff, but let me know what you guys want to see. Hopefully you guys like the video. Subscribe, comment, give me some good criticism. See you guys next time.